Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse and I'm here with a quick video for Adornit. I am one of the stamp ambassadors who works with their Dianna Marcum recipe stamp line. I have a project share. This is a mini album page and the most recent recipe stamp is the No Peak Beef. This is the recipe of the month stamp. I'll link the video here so you can see the cute little cow and the no peak beef with the recipe. There is that milk jug that says Dairy Farm, which I have here on my example. I also brought in the add-on set. So this is the no peak recipe stamp add-on. There is the cow. I did take out the little flowers here just to have the cow with this awesome die set too. I think these two work so well together. And there's all these other goodies in there as well. And this is my project share. So I plan on making pages, page covers, and then in them, after I have enough recipes, then I will build a mini album around it. Seeing that some of the colors will be different, I probably will use like standard colors for the background, either black, craft, or white cardstock would be the base around this, and then there will be pockets and add-ons and such. But I like to have these recipe stamps or images. I am working on this one for another page, but I did like this with the cow, so it'll be a combination, just having fun. It takes me back to almost scrapbooking. You can make cards with this as well. It would just be cropped down a little bit, but I'm enjoying working on these pages. So fun. I have here recipe stamp add-on. Then that is from the recipe stamp, No Peak Beef. This awesome little die set. This is from Whimsy Stamps. You get this huge milk jug and it's called the milk can die set. Let me give you a quick measurement on this milk can. So cute. And everything I'm talking about, I will detail and link below, including what's at Adornit. This might not be available a la carte yet, but if you are a recipe club member, you should have received your set already. 6 inches tall by 3 inches wide. Isn't that cute? And then you also get the little milk bottles too in different sizes. 3 sizes actually. And I love this piece right there, the little handles. Isn't that cute? The next die set I incorporated is this one, Alta News Lovely Daisies. And you put it together like so. I used just the top of the daisy. I didn't use the greens. I brought it in with these awesome die cuts. Super cute set. Let me give you a quick measurement on it. 2 1/8 by 1 3/4. That's for the large one. That's one of the small one. So super cute, right? So I have all these florals with my cow. The die cuts. This is a new set I saw at scrapbook.com and I thought this is so cute. Simple stories. The little things floral bits. There are some large floral bits like so, and then smaller bits, and in here a bunch of cute little strawberries too, with the die cut image or individual. And there's a whole collection with this 12 by 12 paper, etc. Okay, I also use some enamel dots for the centers of the flowers. This is also from that same floral bits pattern paper. There is the No Peak pattern paper designed by Dianna Marcum. That's what you see here. Love this paper. This one I haven't used yet. I think I'm saving this. Don't ask me what I'm saving it for. It's like I'm hoarding the paper like, oh, I want to save you for something special. So I need to cut into it, but so cute. So cute. There is a paper pack too. And in the background, I am using a paper pad that I got at Michael's on clearance. And the paper pad is called Capri. This is a 12 by 12 paper pad. Has all these amazing colors, summer fun. I love, in this paper pad, I use 2 sheets out of it. This red and that checker blue. Isn't that checker blue amazing? It's a really pretty royal blue. So that's what I use here to ground my milk can with the cow. Then I also stamped and colored this up. These are both colored with my Copic markers. But here's some scraps, but I can use these scraps as tags too to insert with this page. So I'm definitely keeping my scraps for this. And in that paper pack at Michael's, you get 3 sheets of each pattern, which I think is lovely as well. And it is one-sided. So I have 2 more full 12 by 12 sheets of this, so I can still incorporate it in the mini album. Just with this, I would use my corner chomper. I showed in a different video that I could make tags, and this is a good size too, the leftover. I also added some dimension using foam squares. 2 layers of foam square, 1 layer of foam square. This is also popped off of the milk can. These are all popped up. So it has a lot of dimensions. That's why I want to make these recipes first. So then when I put them all together, I can then measure what my spine will be. Probably a 3-inch spine at the rate that I'm going. So we'll see. Maybe even 4. But so super duper cute. So I can add on to this and then make it an interactive page with flaps, etc. I love to do like one cover and then you flip it over. Then you can add on those elements with tags and photo mats and such. Alrighty, crafters. I just wanted to hop on real quick to show you my no-peak beef example. I'll have another one coming this week. Until the next video, crafters, check out Adornit and these awesome stamp sets that are designed by Dianna Marcum. Until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.